morning students, welcome back to science class of 7th. In our previous video, I had completed chapter number 10, that is respiration in organisms, and I hope all of you have understood it well. And in today's video, I will be starting a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. So this is our subject enrichment chapter. Before that we had completed the term 1 chapters. The term 1 chapters are heat, acid, bases and salts, and respiration in organisms. Now today we will be studying about this chapter. So the name of the chapter is weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. So what is weather? जिसे हिंदी में हम मौसम कहते हैं. Okay, weather is the day-to-day condition of a place. In a simple language we can say. Now what is climate? Climate is an average weather condition of a particular area over a long period of time for more than 25 years, जिसे हिंदी में हम जलवायु कहते हैं. Now adaptation मतलब अनुकूलन या खुद को स्थापित करना. So adaptation is the special feature of animal or plant to adjust themselves according to their surrounding or habitat. Okay, so let's get started with our chapter weather. Weather यानी कि मौसम. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place and time with respect to the temperature, pressure, humidity and rainfall. So weather changes day by day. It is never constant. It keeps on changing. Now it is sunny, maybe after some hours it may be cloudy. Okay, so there are various factors of the atmosphere and weather. They are temperature. What is temperature? Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness. Then humidity, the amount of water vapor present in the air. So these all factors that make up the weather of a place are called the elements of the weather. इन्हें हम weather का elements कहते हैं. Okay, now what produces weather? How weather is produced? What produces weather? Weather is produced by the heat of the sun and the effect it has on the atmosphere. So whatever atmosphere we are facing, whatever weather we are facing, weather is of many types: cloudy, sunny, windy, foggy. So all the determinants of the weather is the heat produced by the sun. The more the heat of the sun, the weather is more sunny. Okay, then maximum and minimum temperature. Maximum जिसे हम हिंदी में अधिकतम कहते हैं and minimum जिसे हम हिंदी में न्यूनतम कहते हैं. So the highest temperature reached during the day is called maximum temperature and it is usually recorded during the afternoon. ठीक है, जो सबसे ज़्यादा highest temperature जो दिन में रिकॉर्ड होता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर कहते हैं. और ये यूजुअली आफ्टरनून में होता है बिकॉज द सन इज वर्टिकल ओवर आवर हेड. देन द लोवेस्ट टेम्परेचर ड्यूरिंग द डे इज कॉल्ड द मिनिमम टेम्परेचर एंड द लोवेस्ट टेम्परेचर, सबसे कम जब तापमान होता है उसे हम लोवेस्ट टेम्परेचर या मिनिमम टेम्परेचर कहते हैं. ओके, एंड इट इज यूजुअली इन द अर्ली मॉर्निंग. ओके, the maximum and minimum temperatures keep on changing day by day, and this maximum and minimum temperature keep on changing day by day. It is not same everywhere, and the prediction of weather before is called as weather forecast, जिसे हम मौसम का पूर्व अनुमान भी कहते हैं. We have already seen in newspaper and we see in news that weather forecast से हमें पता चल जाता है कि what is going to be the next day. Okay, reports. The daily weather report carries information about the temperature, humidity, rainfall during the past 24 hours. जो weather report होता है वो daily basis पे prepare होता है और उसमें सारी information रहती है कि कैसा temperature होगा, what about the humidity and rainfall. Okay, The scientific study of weather is called as meteorology, and the study of the weather is called as meteorology, and the person or the scientist who studies about the weather are called as meteorologist. Okay, now climate. What is climate in Hindi? That is called jalvayu. So the average weather pattern at a place taken over a long period of time is the climate of that place. So it is the average weather pattern or condition of a particular place for a long period of time, as you can say more than 25 years. तो अगर किसी भी एरिया का वेदर पर्टिकुलरली एक जैसा रहता है काफ़ी लंबे टाइम तक, तो उसे हम क्लाइमेट कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द क्लाइमेट ऑफ कश्मीर इज़ वेरी कोल्ड. इट इज़ यूजुअली कोल्ड. अब ये चेंज नहीं होता. आप जब भी कश्मीर जाएंगे इट विल बी कोल्ड. ओके, वेदर यू गो इन समर सीजन और वेदर यू गो इन winter season. So that is called the climate of a place, and in Hindi it is called as jalvayu. It does not change day by day. There are four major types of the climate. अगर climate की बात करें, it is divided into four groups. First one is polar climate. It is extremely cold and dry. See, polar climate is found on the polar regions, that is North Pole and South Pole, and it is extremely cold and very dry. Chilly winds blow over this area. Then temperate climate. It is having moderate climate, neither very hot nor very cold. Okay, it receives slanting sun rays. That's why moderate type of climate is there. Then tropical climate, or we can say equatorial climate. The areas which are near the equator are very hot and receive maximum sun rays. They receive the vertical rays of the sun and are very hot and humid. Okay, then last one is desert climate. It is very hot and dry, and it is usually found in the desert regions. Factors that affect climate. Now we will be studying what are the factors that affect the climate of a place. The first one is temperature and rainfall. What is temperature? The degree of hotness or coldness of an object. ठीक है, तो अगर किसी एरिया का टेम्परेचर बहुत हाई है, then the climate of that place will be very hot, and if the temperature of that area is low, then the climate of that place will be cold. And rainfall, the amount of rainfall received also affects the climate of a place. The area receiving a very good rainfall has cold climate, while the area receiving very less rainfall or scanty rainfall have a hot climate. Okay, now second factor is location with respect to the sea. So as we all know, the area near the sea or the coastal area receive moderate type of climate. ठीक, they are neither too hot nor very cold. Okay, then altitude. Altitude means what? Height. So the height of a place is also one of the factors that affects the climate of a place. The areas which are located at higher altitudes have cold climate or low temperature, while the areas which are located at plains, they have high climate or high temperature. Okay, now climate and the adaptations. So climate has a great effect on all the living organisms. See, climate has great effect on all the living organism, whether it is plant or animal. So it affects in all the ways. So let us see what is adaptation. Adaptation मतलब अनुकूलन या खुद को अपने सराउंडिंग के अकॉर्डिंग ढाल लेना या स्थापित करना. The presence of specific body features which enable an animal or a plant to live in a particular habitat is called an adaptation. So it is the presence of specific body features. कुछ ऐसे body features होते हैं जिसके द्वारा कोई plant या animal खुद को adjust करता है उस habitat. Habitat means place of living or surrounding. So that is called as adaptation. Okay. So in this chapter we are going to study about the adaptation in polar regions and the adaptation in tropical rainforests. That we will be studying in our upcoming video. Okay, I hope all you have understood the topic well. Now today's homework is first question, define adaptation. Second question, differentiate between weather and climate. Third question, state the factors which affect the climate. Fourth question is, what produces weather? And fifth question is, what is meteorology? So that's all for class today. Thank you and have a great day.